This Excel template allows you to create periodic safety inspection schedule, track equipment condition, and inspection expiration. It will help you ensure that workplaces comply with safety standards and regulations. First, define your settings. Then regularly enter periodic safety inspections data. For safety inspections are expired, and 27 are currently expiring. 5 equipment are dangerously defective, 23% have anomalies. 75% of Clarks are satisfactory, but there's still 25% which can't be used. There are anomalies on all cranes. All fire extinguishers comply with the regulations. Documents, records, and trucks at Site 2 comply with regulations, but their inspection date is overdue. Here are the passenger cars that must be inspected by July 4th. The company must resolve the safety issues reported on these 2 vehicles located at Site 4.